got something fun for you guys today. I'm kind of excited about it, but you guys have to guess what it is. This is going to be, I don't know, maybe 3 videos long, just so they don't get too long, because there's several different steps here. So if you think you know what we're building, put it down below, see if we're right by the end of the video. So this is I'm going to turn this down into a cylinder. I cut it down to, what, 1.5 inch block, I believe. Yeah. So we got 1.5 inch square block. I marked out center on each end, punched a hole. Now we just got to drill a hole in here, just a slight one, to fit over the center there a little bit better. And then we'll start bringing it down. So let's bring you in closer. You can kind of watch. I'll put on a time-lapse video, and we'll get to that part. Alright, there we go. We got one down. All I need is 8 more. So, I got 8 more. So if you can figure out what we're doing, put it in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe so you make sure you get the rest of this project and the rest of my videos. But they're all looking pretty good. This is the one we just made today. Cleaned up the mess. So now we got more projects to finish this project. But like I said, it's going to be probably at least 2 videos. Okay, subscribe. Be right back. Make sure you share this with somebody, please. Thank you. Alright, so I got my 9 pins done. Got it the size I want. I did make a box. I started laying out some lines. So we're going to have pegging here. You'll start here, go down and back, down and back. And I figured with 2 sets you'll be able to play with up to 4 people on this. Then I'm going to put some holes back here for first one to win 5 games, or you can say I won 5 games, or you won 2 games, you won 3, type of thing. So those will get drilled out in the next video. I showed you how I turned them. Like I said, this is just a simple box. I put a couple hinges in. I put some blocks here for this to kind of slam against. This is a 1-inch piece of oak. Pine outside. I'm trying to keep something light, but I wanted a heavier lid to help it kind of stay closed. I also put an angle on this. It's only about a 2 degree, just something to kind of help open it. You can also see I made a little lip in here. Put your finger in, open it up. Okay, so these will sit in here like so. And then you got a nice carrying case for them. Let that slam shut. Your pegs will be able to go in here as well. And you'll be able to keep score. So if you think you got this figured out, leave it down below for the comments. Subscribe so you don't miss the rest of the video for this project. And if you know anyone that might know what the answer is, share it with them, see if they can figure it out. Or tell them that you figured it out and share it with them. So, catch you on the next video. We'll finish up this project. Like, comment, and subscribe, please. It would help me out greatly. Thanks. Catch you on next.